Australia is one of the most important places on Earth for biodiversity. But we're losing precious species at a catastrophic rate. Australia has the worst mammal extinction record in the world. The impact of wildfire and feral animals is devastating. Feral cats alone kill millions of native animals every night. One organisation, Australian Wildlife Conservancy, is taking a bold stand, buying and securing vast tracts of wildlife-rich land and putting in place a dedicated team of land managers and scientists.
Australian Wildlife Conservancy has secured a lot of land, over 3 million hectares, almost 8 million acres. That's one of the largest private conservation estates in the world. AWC properties protect more species than most nations on Earth. Over 200 species of mammals, more than 500 species of birds, and over 600 species of reptiles and amphibians.
AWC Properties protects a rich diversity of habitats. World Heritage listed rainforests, tropical savanna woodlands and ancient gorges, the great deserts of Central Australia, wetlands, pristine coastline and some of the world's last untouched river systems.
There's only one way to protect our endangered wildlife. We must get boots on the ground in remote locations, doing the land management and the science that we really need.
I'm a New Urban Ranger. I hunt pussycat to look after this country.
AWC has established the largest feral cat-free areas on mainland Australia and is conducting the country's biggest feral cat research program. But cats are not the only invaders destroying native wildlife. AWC is also dealing with foxes, buffalo and many other introduced species. AWC is also a leader in large-scale fire management, undertaking prescribed burning from helicopters across millions of hectares.
We massively reduced the extent of late season fires by the small fires that we put in early in the year.
AWC's practical, science-based approach is delivering results.
AWC now protects some of the largest remaining populations of many of Australia's most endangered species. We're even reintroducing animals into areas from which they disappeared over 100 years ago.
They're looked after by teams of young Australians who endure considerable harsh conditions and dangers. Australia should be proud of them.
AWC supporters know that their donation makes a difference where it really counts. In the field, protecting some of Australia's last great wild places and their unique plants and animals.
Time is running out for Australia's wildlife. Your support could be the difference between survival and extinction.